bottle until it get hot.
What is up, everybody? Rez back here again, and today is gonna be, sorry for the hiatus. Hope you guys had like a great 4th of July weekend. We had a little barbecue here with a few friends. But today what we're gonna be talking about is the next part of my Evo build. So I've been saving up these parts for a while. Actually had them for a long time, just haven't had the time to put them in. And today we're gonna go through everything that we're gonna be installing on the Evo in the upcoming weeks, and just to show you guys what we got in store. So let's get right to it. I'm gonna start off by saying that everything that you're gonna see today is gonna be listed down below. I'll have a link. Shout out to JD Customs for hooking it up with the sponsorship, partial sponsorship here to help me make this build happen. But the first thing that we're gonna talk about is gonna be right here. We have our, I think it's DFab or DLab, or I'll have a link down below, or I'll put it on screen because I probably messed it up, but it's a battery relocation kit. And he's a prior Marine too, so veteran owned, and it's a full Evo 10 battery relocation kit. Comes with everything you need. This plate that he actually makes that goes in the front, in the engine bay where the battery goes, to put this fuse box or whatever the hell this is. Really good stuff. Really well worth it. The only kit that I saw online that came with everything you actually needed to do this. So it's a lot of quality stuff here. And I paired that up with this battery kind of like bracket thingy that you can put in there, since I don't want it to just be sitting down in the trunk there. All right, following after that, the battery relocation kit that I got, I went with a full titanium ETS kit for my intercooler piping. I think it looks amazing. The welds look great too, as you can see here, and good quality stuff. Shout out to JDC again. Then we went right into, I've always liked the tile blow-off valve, and I had to do it in red to match the car. But there you go. And of course we got that titanium hardware on that BOV. America, made in the USA. But yep, got that vent to atmosphere. Then we got the speed density kit, all the sensors and stuff. We got this box full of packing peanuts and all these clamps and whatnot. And last but not least, I went with the ETS speed density kit. I know I could have just bought my own pipe, probably cheaper, and probably tried to fabricate something since it is such a small piece, but I didn't want to have to deal with any of that. I just wanted a piece that was quality that I could use right away. And I think this is going to be great with the K&N air filter. So that's all the parts that we have here today, and I'm going to show you now what's on the car currently, so you can see what the differences are going to be. All right, so getting right into it, I'm going to go ahead and show you all what the engine bay looks like now, so you can see what is it all that we're changing here. So let's go ahead and I'll grab the camera, take you guys along with me. So first thing you'll notice is we got this booty stock intercooler piping. This stuff is literal trash. Mine are tying really well, but even then I've had this thing come off on me when I hit full boost, and then I'm pretty much stuck until I can put it back on. So that's junk. We got the battery in the front. Notice how it's taking up all that space. And a lot of modern cars, most of the modern cars nowadays all have the batteries in the trunk, so moving this into the trunk is definitely the move in order to create that space that we're going to need for that intercooler piping. Then we got here the FP intake here with this K&N Typhoon system, or whatever the heck. It does all right, but definitely getting rid of that MAF is going to help a lot more. And then I don't know if you can see it, but if you look down there, try to point down there, it's focusing on the wrong thing, but I'll try to zoom in. Maybe it'll focus on the right thing right there. That little spaghetti piece of lower intercooler piping is awful, and it's really restricting all the air that comes from that can come to the intercooler. So switching that out is definitely going to make a big difference. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I know it's a short one, and I apologize for that. I've been a little busy just reorganizing the house, doing a bunch of stuff. But now we're back, and I'm going to be pumping out these videos, so stay tuned. First thing we're going to do is that battery relocation, and then we're going to go right into the intercooler piping and hopefully have it tuned by September is my time frame. So August, September, have the car tuned again, so that way we can be taking advantage of all this stuff that we got. But yep, stay tuned. You already know what to do. There you go. All right, always remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Rez out.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle just drown in my